Hello friends, in this video we are going to make decorative light which can produce all the colors which mankind could ever imagine. To make this I am using a couple of CDs. A standard CD comes with a radius of 6 cm. We need this measurement to make outer frame for our CD. So 2 into value of pi into 6 becomes 37.7 cm. I have cut 2 cardboard strips which measures 37.7 centimeters. This will be the frame of our CD which holds the LED strip. I'm using super glue to stick all this together. You can make this project with single CD as well, but for much more stunning effects I'm using 2 CDs. I'm using ARGB LED strip which is of 1 meter and has 60 LEDs. I don't want to remove double-sided tape from LED strip, so I'm using hot glue to couple it with cardboard frame. I have dropped the links of all the products in the description below. Don't forget to check it out. I'm using Nano because of its smaller size. You can use Uno as well. White wire from LED strip will be our negative, red will be our positive and green will be our signal pin. Our project is complete. I'm using power bank to power this project. If you're planning to make a much bigger version of this, you need external power supply along with resistors and capacitors of specific values. Hope you enjoyed my project. If you are willing to make one, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.